Quality is not just a word or part of a fancy slogan, it's something everyone agrees is necessary. Quality relies on experience and data analysis. Without these things, it is impossible to satisfy the important requirements of our clients. That is why, at elmarakbysteel, we were keen from the first day to establish our own central laboratories and to equip them with the latest instruments and testing devices from respected international brands in the steelmaking industry, and to staff these laboratories with highly trained experts and specialists. The tests are divided into stages. First stage, inspection of the imported raw materials. When the used raw materials in the melting furnaces are analyzed, samples are taken from the raw materials and go through processing stages on the crushing and grinding machines until the size of the particles is less than 50 microns. Then, the particles are pressed into aluminum molds or melted in platinum molds. Finally, the samples are placed in an X-ray analyzer. Also, the percentage of carbon and sulfur in the raw materials is determined using carbon and sulfur analysis instruments. The second stage of testing is an inter-process inspection. It is carried out for the product from the melt shop. Samples are taken for analysis with spectrophotometers that measure the concentrations of more than 22 elements. In addition, we analyze the nitrogen content, which takes less than 3 minutes. To ensure the accuracy of the devices, we analyze a standard sample every work shift. Of course, this is aside from visually inspecting and measuring dimensions of each billet to ensure the quality of the billets channeled to the rolling mill. The third stage of testing is an inter-process inspection carried out for the product from the rolling mill. In this stage, samples are taken from the final rolled products of rebar and wire rods according to the Egyptian and international standard specifications and the sampling plan. The following tests are conducted. Weight per unit length, measuring the height and dimensions of longitudinal and transverse rebar ribs. Tensile tests, cold bending tests. Fourth stage, the final inspection of the product, where the rebar and wire rods are labeled with tags stating the bundle coil life cycle starting from heat number to the grade of the steel produced, as well as the production date. And to ensure the credibility, a quality certificate is provided to customers, including the results of all tests conducted on the product itself. Our main goal is always to compete in local and international markets and meet the requirements of our customers who have put their trust in us over the years. Our path towards this goal begins by aligning our management systems with international standards. Within a short period of time, we were able to obtain certificates in Quality Management System 9001, Environmental Management System 14001, and Occupational Health and Safety Management System 45001 from international and regional authorities. We have also obtained CARES accreditation for the production of rebar according to the British standard BS 4449, which allows us to export our products to the UK market and similar markets. In addition, we have obtained the Romanian accreditation and are currently on our way to obtaining other accreditations to be able to export our products all over the world. We also participate in professional competency tests between laboratories, where on the international level through the American organization ASTM in the field of chemical testing. Besides, we have obtained international accreditation for our laboratories according to ISO 17025. elmarakbysteel, reinforcing life.